Hi YouTubers, Helmet Head here. Yet again, we're going to do a travel guide. So today, we're going to head to Pitsford Reservoir. And looking at like TripAdvisor, it gets amazing reviews again. It's the same sort of thing. People tip on their push bikes and push bike like sort of around there. They obviously put their walking boots on and walk around there. Then you've got your little chubby people that are doing their power walking to lose a few pounds. Good on you. But obviously it gets quite a few bikers turn up. There's the old-fashioned cafe there, so we can do a sausage roll and a coffee test. And we'll see what's there. We'll see if it's worth going. The same usual thing. If it's not worth it, I'll let you know. But let's have some fun. Let's jump on the bike. So, we're on our way to Pitsford now. The route I've picked is this. And it's not very exciting, to be completely honest with you. It's not very far either. I've kind of missed out a bit of a chunk because it's literally just boring, like main road. If I did a full circle and came in the other way, that looks a little bit more exciting, but this is what I'm stuck with. This part's okay, there's some decent twisties coming up, I believe. But there's not much to it. Hey up, some sheep. So yeah, let's get going, let's get there, and let's enjoy the route. Let's speed it up a bit, so you don't get too bored. Here we go. Windy today, so I did this crazy thing yesterday and decided I'm going to go and buy a drone to make things a little bit more exciting. I've never flown one before, have no idea what I'm doing, picked it up last night, downloaded the app, charged it and just brought it out. So this is probably going to go terribly wrong, but hopefully you'll get a bit of footage. Hope you enjoy it. So, the drone test.
lesson number 1, don't try and fly it when it's windy day, because well, I'm not very good at flying it. To be honest, I had no idea what the controls were and how to use it then, so I'm kind of happy I managed to take off and land and get something. The first time, you know, but then it's dead windy and it's moving, and there's probably something you can do to stop that, and maybe I shouldn't panic so much, but it's my first time of using it and I don't want to chuck away any money, so hopefully I'll get that out on another one, but that's the start of that, isn't it? Anyway, let's get to Pitsford Reservoir and let's try some lovely sausage roll. Hey up, look, there's another one of those pubs, you know the ones again. How much for a pint? Oh, it's only 1,000 zillion pounds. Oh, I'll have one of your finest, please. I mean, it would have to be the best pint in the world to pay that sort of money, wouldn't it? Full stop. I always laugh because every time you do like a nice country ride, there's a beautiful country pub that charges you loads of money. Don't get me wrong, I like to stop at them and have a beer like everyone else. I just giggle at the cost, and I get that that's where the market's from, but you know what I mean. It's like, how much was it cost? Really, if they were clever, they'd reduce the money and they'd of the cost of the pint and the drinks, and people would be more attracted to go. But obviously it's down to the brewery and all that stuff, and obviously they've got to pay their money, but not for me. I haven't got a zillion pounds. I've gone through this before. Unfortunately, I'll wait and have one of those lovely bottles of beer for £1.25 and enjoy it just as much. Anyway, let's keep on trucking. Soft verges, parking, half a mile or whatever it said. Does that mean when you sit on the bench, it sinks? I mean, what's that about? Anyway. Well, that's pretty, isn't it? Oh, pretty entrance. Very nice.
So, here we are, Pitsford, we've made it, and this is what you get. Looks quite nice, doesn't it? So, let's go and do the famous thing, and then we'll take a walk around, okay? Hi, do you sell sausage rolls? No.
Just for weekends.
Sausage sandwich? Yeah, can we have 2 sausage sandwiches and 2 lattes, please?
Brown or white bread do you want?
White or brown?
Brown. Brown. Both of them, yeah?
Please, yeah. Okay, so we've just come out of the cafe. Ultimate fail, and I mean ultimate fail, no sausage rolls. So we've had to step it up and go for a sausage sandwich because that was the closest thing that we could get. I ordered a latte. I'm glad to say they made it with a fresh bean machine, so it might actually be quite a good one. This is the look of the coffee. Let's do a taste test. That's good, that's good. Right, let's look at the sausage. Now my only concern about the sausage is the woman that was cooking it was sticking like the probe in to see if it's cooked in the middle. Now if you can't cook a sausage without sticking something in it, it's a bit weird. So we'll give it a try and let's see if it tastes any good. It looks good, it's alright, it's a sausage sandwich. Let's give it a taste. Good sausage sandwich and a nice latte. We'll take a little stroll around, see what's here. It's a really windy day. I know I've already mentioned that, but it really is. So it's a little bit chilly, but we'll take a stroll around, see what's about, and let's just go and have a look. So Pitsford was doing really well. We had our food, we started walking, but we were looking for a bin. So we went to the picnic area where we obviously were eating the food, and guess what? There was no bins. So like, there'll be some down by the park. Took a stroll down the park. No bins. It's a pretty place. Come on, get some bins. Don't want rubbish all over the place. Anyway, we're walking along now, and it looks like a distance some kind of like dammy bridge thing. So we're going to go and have a quick look at that and see what all that's about. Let's have some fun. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's these little like midgy bug things flying around everywhere. A few of them have hit me in the face. It's not pleasant. Yeah, what's that about? Bridgy dam bit. It's very pretty. It's really nice here. It's very chilled out, and we've kind of gone on a day when nobody else wants to come because of the wind, a little bit of rain and everything else. So it's proper chilled out and nice. And I gotta say, it's alright here. It's worth coming down for like a little bit of a chill out. Might only be here for like an hour because you'll get bored, but you know, it's alright, isn't it? So yeah, well done Pitsford. Sausage is good, coffee is good, place is good, parking is good. It's all good. Well done. So, I'm a little bit confused because it's windy, it's a boating sort of, not lake, but reservoir, and they've got like a boating club here and everything else. There's no boats out. I thought when it's windy, you go sailing. Or do they go when it's not windy and go paddling? I don't know. I ain't got a clue, but yeah, that's pretty much it from me. This is a beautiful place, it's worth coming to visit. Yeah, give it a go, it's alright. See you next time.